Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make avocado con yelo using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 to 3 ripe avocados, about 1/2 cup of condensed milk, and plenty of crushed ice. Make sure your avocados are perfectly ripe for that creamy texture and rich flavor. This delightful treat comes together in just a few minutes. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's prepare the star of our dish, the avocado. Carefully cut 2 or 3 ripe avocados in half and remove the large seed. Then, scoop out all the creamy green flesh into a bowl. Using a fork, gently mash the avocado, but don't make it completely smooth. We want some lovely, small chunks for texture. With the avocado prepared, it's time to assemble our refreshing dessert. Grab your favorite serving glass or bowl. First, put a generous amount of crushed ice at the bottom, filling it about 1/3 full. Next, spoon your mashed avocado over the ice. Finally, drizzle about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sweet condensed milk over the avocado. This creates a beautiful layered effect. And there you have it. Your delicious avocado con yelo is ready to be enjoyed. Before taking your first bite, give it a gentle stir to mix all those wonderful flavors together. Feel free to add more condensed milk if you prefer it sweeter, or a little less if you like it milder. This creamy, icy treat is perfect for a warm day. Enjoy every spoonful.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.